Alright, so we'll WD-40 clean really stained plexiglass so you can see it again. Let's find out. Little squirt, rag, quick wipe. Yep, Bob's your uncle. It sure did. Check it out. I can see it again. So we'll give it a quick second rub here with another shot of WD-40 on the rag. Sure enough, Bob's your uncle. There's all the dirt right there. Clean as a whistle. See right through it. Probably only lasts a week or two unless you have some kind of sealant put on it. But hey, it's a quick fix and it works, right? Thumbs up. Say it works.